Hello everyone. In previous hunting seasons, especially in 2020, American hunters missed many important moments during the country's biggest wild boar hunting competition, the Great American Wild Boar Hunt. Despite having many opportunities, many hunters miss their targets due to distractions and stress. When you miss a shot, not only is the opportunity lost, but it can also lead to serious risks. Wild boars can become aggressive and might turn back to attack the hunter. Are you ready to hunt wild boars with us? Leave a comment with the number 1 to start the hunt. This serious issue of missing shots in major competitions has prompted the U.S. government to organize a 6-month firearms training program. The goal is to help hunters improve their skills and minimize risks. The firearm of choice during the hunting season is the Remington 700, which features an integrated suppressor to reduce noise when shooting. This rifle is effective at ranges from 100 to 300 yards. The wild boar hunting season in the U.S. typically runs from October to February, with the National Wild Boar Hunting Championship becoming increasingly popular since 2021. This event takes place in various hunting environments, from dense forests to open grasslands, with daytime hunting being the most common form. Each year, over 2,000 hunters participate in the competition. Participants must be over 25 years old and have at least 3 seasons of wild boar hunting experience before they are eligible to compete in the major contests. In the U.S., hunting licenses clearly state that hunters are not allowed to hunt in national parks, wildlife reserves, or areas close to residential zones. Violating this regulation can result in fines of up to $5,000 and the revocation of the hunting license for 2 years. This regulation is in place to ensure the safety of the community and to protect areas that need to be conserved. In addition, nighttime visibility is limited, so the U.S. government requires hunters to hunt in groups of 3 to 5 people to evenly distribute the workload. Hunting competitions in the desert environment in the U.S. allow hunters to use off-road vehicles at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, saving time and allowing for quicker access to targets. Do you think hunting wild boar at night is safe? If so, leave a 2. If not, leave a 5. However, hunting while moving in an off-road vehicle requires hunters to maintain good balance and have accurate shooting skills while the vehicle is still in motion. This not only ensures the effectiveness of the hunt, but also helps hunters avoid situations where wild boars may suddenly attack. One of the most exciting hunting activities and hunting tournaments in the U.S. is wild boar hunting with a bow and arrow, where hunters must get close to the target within a range of 20 to 30 yards. According to research by hunting organizations, the success rate of hunting without any cover is ineffective because wild boars can easily detect the hunter's movement, leading to missed opportunities. To overcome this issue, the hunting season has implemented a smart solution by setting up hunting blinds. These blinds are about 25 to 30 square feet in size and can accommodate 2 to 3 hunters at a time. With the help of the blinds, wild boars are less likely to detect the presence of the hunters, thus increasing the chances that the hunter has enough time to aim and shoot accurately. A maximum of 130 hunting dogs can participate in this hunt. In the vast swamps of Florida and Louisiana, the assistance of hunting dogs is essential to help hunters quickly locate the hiding spots of wild boars, areas that are difficult to reach with the naked eye. Additionally, hunters are responsible for monitoring the activities of the dogs using GPS devices to ensure they don't face any difficulties throughout the hunt. This helps hunters control and protect the dogs from any potential dangers that may arise in the complex wilderness environments. Finally, it shows that the U.S. government is very concerned about the safety of hunters. Comment 1 if you find the scale of hunting by American hunters interesting. Share this video to receive blessings from God for your family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful information about hunting in challenging situations. In confrontational situations, bobcats tend to become aggressive when they feel threatened. In these encounters, the person being attacked may defend themselves or cause the bobcat to retreat without anyone being injured. Quick and calm handling of the situation helps minimize the dangers of these attacks. Please leave comment number 1 to raise awareness on how to deal with bobcats. The ocelot is a medium-sized carnivorous mammal, weighing between 18 to 35 pounds, originally from Europe and Asia. This species is known for its distinctive coat with spots, and it has rapidly spread across the United States, causing significant damage to agriculture. At the Rock Creek Farm in Montana, it was reported that 175 chickens and 108 ducks were killed in a single night by wildcats. The annual damage caused by this species to farmers is estimated to reach up to $45 million USD. To tackle this issue, many states have enacted regulations that allow hunting of wildcats to control their population and reduce the damage to agriculture. Wildcats typically inhabit dense forests, mountains, and open fields. Signs of their presence include round paw prints, buried feces, and scratch marks on tree trunks. Hunting wildcats requires hunters to have tracking skills, knowledge of their behavior, and proficiency in weaponry, usually through a 1-year training program in mountainous areas of Montana. When hunting wildcats in open fields, hunters often use binoculars to observe large areas in search of signs of their presence. Once a wildcat is spotted, they must assess the distance and calculate the precise timing for the shot. Hunters typically wait until the cat stops or changes direction to ensure the best possible shooting angle. This strategy helps maximize accuracy and reduces the risk of missing or injuring the animal. Finally, hunting bobcats is a challenging activity that requires skill and attracts many hunters due to the intelligence and agility of this species. To obtain a hunting license, hunters must complete a course on gun safety and hunting ethics. The minimum age to obtain a license is between 18 and 65 years old in Montana, although some states allow supervision from the age of 12 in Texas. Have you ever hunted bobcats? If so, leave a comment with the number 2. If not, leave the number 0. Montana has licensed 300 coonhound hunting dogs to assist in bobcat hunting. These dogs play a crucial role in helping hunters and reducing direct encounters with bobcats. However, hunters are responsible for reporting their hunts to authorities. If a hunter is found to be hunting excessively, they could face a fine of up to $5,000.
All right.
To increase the effectiveness of controlling bobcat populations, Montana has implemented foot traps in rural and forested areas. These traps are licensed with a limited number in the mountainous regions of northern and central Montana. When collecting, protective shields are used to minimize the risk of direct attacks from bobcats, ensuring the safety of hunters throughout the hunting process. These shields reduce the impact of the traps, making it easier for hunters to collect the bobcats. According to the Wildlife Conservation and Sportsmen's Association of America, the number of bobcats hunted annually ranges from 200 to 5,500. In 2023, Montana set a record with 4,800 bobcats being hunted, while California, which has the largest population of bobcats, only allows hunting of 35 due to conservation concerns. Experts estimate that hunting has reduced bobcat-related damage to poultry farms by up to 25% compared to the previous year.
Yeah, that's a nice tone.
An experienced hunter can catch 3 to 4 bobcats per day during the hunting season, although this number can vary depending on weather conditions, terrain, and the population density in the area. After hunting, bobcats are often used for preparing special dishes, while their fur is utilized in the fashion industry. Please let us know if you are still following us by leaving a comment. Your contributions are valuable resources for hunters in Montana. Thank you for staying with us throughout this journey. These methods have been very effective in halting the spread of some invasive species. If you have any better ideas, feel free to share them in the comments so we can discuss. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to tell your friends so they can watch it too. Goodbye and see you in the next video.
Hello everyone. Crocodiles are reptiles, known for their large size and strong body structure. Crocodiles are known for their thick and hard skin, along with sharp teeth, which help them hunt effectively. They often live in freshwater environments such as rivers, lakes, and swamps, But some species can also adapt to saltwater environments. Crocodiles are not only formidable hunters, but also play an important role in the ecosystem, maintaining the balance of animal and plant populations. They are symbols of strength and endurance in the animal world. If you want to learn more, click like to follow us to learn more about this crocodile species. Each year, more than 15,000 alligators, some reaching 20 feet in length, are killed in the fierce battle between humans and these reptiles. This brings us to a broader look at wildlife in America. The United States is not only famous for its diverse native species, but also for the presence of invasive species. Among them, the alligator, one of the most powerful predators on the planet. These powerful reptiles pose significant risks to both humans and animals. Over the years, there have been many alligator attacks in the United States, with 25% of them resulting in death. With their razor-sharp teeth, alligators are a formidable threat in the country, especially in the southern United States. The presence of these predators highlights the need for increased awareness and safety measures for communities in these areas. As the southern United States prepares for a tough rainy season with fierce storms, packing winds of up to 135 miles per hour, another danger has quietly emerged in the midst of this natural chaos. Alligators being swept from swamps into residential areas. They move along flooded streets, turning every corner into a potential trap for local residents. Faced with this emergency, the authorities had to act quickly, issuing constant warnings and deploying specialized teams to relocate the crocodiles. Emergency hunting campaigns were launched targeting the border areas between the city and the swamp. Modern weapons were used by hunters to patrol day and night to prevent these reptiles from entering residential areas. Stay tuned and hit the like button if you want to learn more about crocodile hunting. Experienced hunters have observed that alligators often congregate in swampy areas near river mouths during the cool evening hours. With this knowledge, hunters can quickly and effectively identify these predators. Hunters often choose to use large caliber rifles or other more powerful options, as they are powerful enough to penetrate thick alligator hides. And hollow point bullets or large hunting bullets are essential for a quick and effective shot. To get a successful shot, the hunter needs to aim for the crocodile's weak points, especially behind or between the eyes. Using a large caliber rifle with a hollow point bullet will maximize the chance of penetrating the crocodile's skin. Keeping a safe distance of 30 to 50 yards and aiming from a standing angle or from above can improve accuracy and effectiveness. Hunters often hunt with a companion for safety and only shoot when they are sure of their target. This method not only ensures a successful hunt, but also ensures the safety of everyone involved. Handling the crocodile after capture requires skill and strength. The hunting team uses rope or tape to tie the crocodile's mouth shut, preventing injury. The hunting method can capture 2 to 3 crocodiles at a time, which is very effective in population control. Captured crocodiles are handed over to the authorities, improving public safety and providing a valuable opportunity to study the behavior and distribution of the species. Crocodile hunting is a challenging activity where the line between humans and animals becomes blurred. It is not only an extreme experience, but also a responsibility to protect the community from prehistoric predators. What do you think about hunting? Is this method effective? Leave your opinion in the comment section below the video. Thanks for watching. Please support me by clicking like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next interesting videos. I really appreciate your support and wish you good health and luck. The red fox is a member of the Canidae family and is known as the most common fox in the world. Its distinctive features include its bright red fur and long, bushy tail. Red foxes are not only striking in their appearance, but are also known for their excellent adaptability to a wide range of habitats, from forests to grasslands and even urban areas. Their versatility and survival makes them a successful and recognizable animal in many areas. If you find this red fox interesting, follow us to learn more about them. The global red fox population is impressive and is estimated to be around 7 million individuals, making it one of the most widespread fox species. Red foxes can be found in most parts of Europe, Asia, and North America. However, in some areas, habitat change and human activities can impact their numbers, requiring appropriate management and conservation measures to maintain healthy populations. Foxes are known to dig in the soil in search of insects and small rodents, an activity that can inadvertently cause significant damage to the root systems of plants. This disruption not only reduces soil stability, but also damages plant roots, reducing their ability to absorb nutrients and water. This can, in turn, negatively impact the yield and quality of crops in horticultural environments. A free-range poultry farm was experiencing severe damage from repeated red fox attacks. The frequent intrusion of these animals into the poultry area created a major problem, requiring prompt and effective intervention. The protection of poultry and agricultural assets became a top priority to ensure the livelihood of workers and maintain the stability of the farm operation. To minimize the damage caused by red foxes, the use of fox hunting dogs has proven to be an effective solution, combining tradition and innovation in wildlife management. These dogs are intensively trained from a young age, developing elite hunting skills and close coordination. With proper training, they can track, detect, and chase foxes away from agricultural areas quickly and effectively. Teams of fox hunters operate in groups, helping to cover large areas and solve the problem thoroughly, protecting agricultural assets and maintaining balance in the ecosystem. If you want to know more about red fox hunting, click the like button and learn more with us. When hunting red foxes, hunters often combine the skills of hunting dogs with the preparation of rifles to respond to emergency situations. Hunting dogs play an important role in detecting and chasing foxes away from the area, thanks to their agility and trained hunting skills. Rifles are carried for safety and to handle dangerous situations if necessary. However, hunters need to strictly follow legal regulations, including possessing a valid hunting license to ensure the activity is legal and sustainable. Hunting dogs play an important role in wildlife management due to their ability to navigate difficult terrain conditions, such as dense undergrowth and swamps, which are difficult for humans to access. Their skills and alertness help them detect and track elusive animals such as red foxes, especially in areas where they can easily hide or seek shelter. The presence of hunting dogs not only improves the effectiveness of wildlife control, but also helps protect agricultural resources and minimize damage caused by these animals. However, using hunting dogs to manage red fox populations is not always the ideal method. It requires highly skilled handlers and well-trained hunting dogs, which can be costly and time-consuming. Additionally, a thorough understanding of red fox behavior and the ability to control dogs in complex situations is essential to be effective. These methods not only help control red fox populations, but also maintain ecological balance and ensure that wildlife is treated humanely. If you have any other ideas or methods for managing red foxes, please share them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so we can keep making more videos.